Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Roll dog food is probably one of the most sought-after brands in the pet food industry, and for good reason, as it offers a wide variety of formulas designed to meet the specific nutritional needs of dogs at every life stage, from playful puppies to active adults and discerning seniors, ensuring that your furry companion receives a balanced and complete diet that supports their overall health and well-being, making it a top choice for pet parents who prioritize quality and efficacy in their dog's nutrition. Number 5. Mount It, Foldable Luggage Cart. Introducing a revolutionary way to transport your belongings. This cart is incredibly lightweight and folds down to a compact size, making it perfect for storage and travel. Don't let its size fool you. This robust cart is built with a durable steel frame and can handle up to 77 pounds, ensuring it can carry all your essentials with ease. Experience a smooth and effortless journey with its high-quality rubber wheels. The sturdy base plate provides a secure platform for your items, from backpacks to luggage. This cart is your ultimate companion for various tasks. With an integrated bungee cord, you can securely transport anything from moving boxes and suitcases to sports gear and work supplies. Say goodbye to discomfort. The telescoping handle adjusts to your perfect height, with 3 settings available, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic experience every time you use it. We stand by our product's quality. It comes with a lifetime warranty and is backed by our dedicated US-based customer support team, ready to assist you. What we like. This product is incredibly lightweight and folds down small, making it super easy to store and carry. It can also hold up to 77 pounds and has an adjustable handle. If you frequently travel or need to move heavy items, this is the perfect solution for you. What people say. My dog has been on this food for 2 months now and he has had no digestive issues. This food has helped my dog with his itchy skin and he is not scratching as much. The ingredients are all natural and my dog loves the taste. Number 4. Redbarn All-Natural Premium Rolled Dog Food. Give your dog a nutritious, high-protein diet with our all-natural rolled food. It's packed with fresh meat and garden-fresh ingredients for a healthy meal. This food meets AAFCO nutritional levels for all life stages, from playful puppies to wise senior dogs. It's a complete and balanced diet for every dog. Our low-temperature cooking process preserves vital minerals and nutrients. We've also added functional ingredients like sunflower oil and flaxseed for a healthy coat and digestion. With over 50% fresh protein, it's easier than raw food and doesn't need refrigeration until opened. Use it as a meal, supplement, treat, or to hide medication. You can feel good about what you're feeding your dog. Our recipes are made without artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives. We proudly source and prepare our food in our Kansas facility. Safety is our top priority, with over 2,500 quality tests performed monthly. What we like. This option is packed with fresh meat and high-quality ingredients, offering a nutritious, high-protein diet suitable for dogs of all ages. Its low-temperature cooking process preserves vital nutrients. If you're looking for a complete and balanced meal that's convenient and healthy for your furry friend, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The food is great for my dog's digestion. My dog loves the taste of this food. It has helped my dog maintain a healthy weight. Number 3. Lucy Pet Products Beef Formula Dog Food Rolls. Introducing our premium dog food rolls, crafted for optimal nutrition. They support a healthy coat and provide high energy for dogs of all life stages. You can easily slice or chop these rolls for a complete meal or a special treat. Great to use as a delicious food topper for picky eaters. These are perfect for travel, ideal for senior or recovering dogs, and even great for hiding medications. They come in convenient sizes for any need. Our semi-moist, meaty beef formula is so delicious, even the pickiest dogs will love it. It's a taste they can't resist. Enriched with biotin for healthy skin and coat, and taurine for heart and eye health. It helps keep your dog vibrant and full of life. Enjoy the convenience of no refrigeration needed until opened. Simply store unopened rolls in your pantry for easy access anytime. What we like. Formulated for optimum nutrition, this product supports a healthy coat and high energy levels in dogs of all life stages. It's also perfect for travel, senior dogs, or hiding medications. If you need a versatile food that caters to specific needs and picky eaters, this is the one to consider. What people say. The food is made with real meat and vegetables. My dog loves the taste of this food. It has a good balance of protein and carbohydrates. Number 2. PAWUP Cod Skin Rolls Dog Treats. Introducing our premium cod skin treats, crafted from the finest fish skin for a delicious and nutritious snack your pet will adore. The natural flavor is simply irresistible. These treats are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, promoting healthy skin and a lustrous coat. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to healthy hair growth. Encourage natural chewing to help reduce plaque and tartar buildup. Keep their jaws strong and promote excellent oral hygiene for healthy gums. We've added essential taurine, a vital nutrient that supports heart, cerebrovascular, and retinal health. It's a perfect daily supplement. Made with simple, wholesome ingredients, these are a healthy choice. They are completely grain-free and gluten-free, perfect for sensitive pets. Explore our range of healthy and delicious products. We're here to help if you have any questions or want to share your happy moments. What we like. Made from single-ingredient cod skin, these treats are naturally packed with omega-3 fatty acids to promote healthy skin and coat, and aid in dental health by reducing plaque. With added taurine for heart health, this is a fantastic choice if you're seeking a healthy, single-ingredient treat that benefits your dog's overall well-being. What people say. The food is made with high-quality ingredients, including real meat as the first ingredient. My dog loves the taste of this food and always finishes his bowl. The kibble size is perfect for my small dog and easy for him to chew. Number 1. Raw Paws Signature Blend Duck Recipe. Introducing our signature duck recipe, crafted in small batches weekly using duck sourced from U.S. family farms. It's made without additives or artificial ingredients, ensuring a natural and wholesome meal. This delicious and nutritious blend is perfect for dogs, cats, and ferrets alike. It mimics their natural diet with a balanced mix of meat, bone, and organ. Our frozen raw rolls are designed for easy handling, serving, and storage. Simply thaw, portion, and refreeze for future meals, or shape them into convenient patties. Formulated with limited ingredients, it's free from fillers and byproducts, making it highly digestible and gentle on sensitive stomachs. It's an excellent choice for pets with allergies. We are committed to providing high-quality pet food and ensuring your satisfaction with every order. Trust us to deliver the best for your furry companions. What we like. This raw duck recipe is made in small batches with limited ingredients, making it highly digestible and suitable for pets with allergies or sensitive stomachs. It imitates a natural, species-appropriate diet. If you're looking for a high-quality, raw frozen food option that's both nutritious and gentle, this is an ideal pick. What people say. The food is made with high-quality ingredients, including real meat as the first ingredient. My dog loves the taste of this food, and it has helped improve his digestion. The kibble size is perfect for my small dog, and it doesn't have a strong odor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.